Refresh mo muna kami about your showbiz journey. Bago yung mga matitindihang tanong. Refresh muna about your showbiz. Warm up muna,
Warm up
yes.
tayo. I-refresh.
Yes.
Well, of course, I started, I was just 10 years old. I joined the singing contest in QTV 11 by po yun. It's called Popstar Kids. Fortunately, yun, I won the competition, and after that, nagtuloy-tuloy na po yun na nasama ko sa SOP, nakasama ko na sa isang entablado yung mga iniitulo ko at dating pinapanood ko lamang sa telebisyon. Hanggang sa pinaarte na po nila ako, and then the rest is history. 20 years na po yung nagdaan, ano. At yun, nabuo po talaga yung mostly ng career ko po talaga sa GMA Senda.
And syempre, ito na yung question ng lahat.
Go!
What made you, di ba, decide to switch talaga, no? To try Viva, yan.
More on, I really just want to explore new opportunities po talaga, because we all know that Viva po has a lot of platforms right now, and syempre they produce concerts, they have musicals, they do series, which is I heard Viva Movie Box or Viva One, and I would really love to try them all. Yun po talaga yung aking naisip at nanggagaling sa puso.
Thank you. Welcome sa Viva
Salamat
CRM.
po. Thank you.
Maraming salamat po, Sir Erwin. Now, moving on, pakinggan naman natin from GMA Entertainment, Nurse Almo.
Hi po.
Hello. Good afternoon. Nung kausap ka ni Boss Vic, tama, ano yung mga na-promise niya sa'yo? Meron na ba na exact na projects or ano?
Ang na-promise po talaga sa akin ay kapag ito po ay magiging pangalawang tahanan ko din. At yun po din talaga yung naging importante po para sa akin. Yes, hindi po madali na kahit papano po ay umalis po ako sa Sparkle, hindi naman po sa GMA, because ang Viva naman po ay open naman po sa lahat. I can still work po sa iba't ibang network. Pero isa po yun sa importante sa akin na gagalaw po ko sa isang lugar na alam kong it also feels home. And malaking bagay po sa akin na, my late father also worked here for a long time. And malaking bagay po yun sa akin na siguro kahit papaano pag nandito ako, alam kong kasama ko siya.
Yun, nalinaw mo na siguro yun yung isang gustong tanong talaga. Hindi ka naman naalis sa GMA. Ngayon na Viva artist ka na.
Opo, syempre po, mahirap din po para sa akin yun. Of course, if they would still love me to do projects for them, of course, I will always say yes. Yes po.
Isa sa mga strength ng Viva is yung right now is producing concerts. Meron ba sa lineup ng projects na binigay sa iyo yung pagkakaroon ng concert?
Of course, yes, I would, yes po. And I'm very excited with that. And honestly, yung career ko po, it's been 20 years. I have never ever have a major solo concert, and I'm just so happy that siguro nga po everything has a reason, and I think that's the perfect timing. And alam ko po that God blessed me with this because God blessed me with the great people and the right people para po talagang sobrang special yung magiging first ever concert ko.
And lastly, sa 20 years ng career,
Yes po.
ano yung pinaka-highlight or ano yung pinaka-memorable for you?
Well, of course, syempre po yung nanalo po ako dun sa aking yung Popstar Kids. Opo, 1 year din po tamakbo yun yung competition na yun. And dahil doon, talagang nagbukas ng doors for me, yung talagang napapanood ko lang sila Mr. Jean, sa TV, tapos nakasama ko sila sa stage. And definitely, of course, si Aubrey, the very iconic. She's how do I say it? Mahirap siyang alisin sa puso ko. tubig. May patisyo ba tayo dito? Sayang naman yung makeup ko ng inano ko ng 2 oras. Ate, ayan, maraming salamat. Hintayin natin yung patisyo. Siyempre, kailangan maganda tayo dito, di ba? Kasi po, 5 million yung nanonood sa television. Maraming salamat po. Okay. Uy,
Anong meron ka?
to si Aubrey naman, papayak ako. Isa pa nga, wait lang. Sige, iyak lang ako muna ako dito, wait lang. Of course, Aubrey opened a lot of doors for me. Hindi rin po biro yung nabuo namin ni Ken. And of course, deserve naman din no, na ma-mention ng tao dahil iba-ibang klase yung rapport na nabuo namin and the chemistry and the projects that we did together and people love them. And of course, I'm very, very, very grateful with that. And of course, my AOS family, they will always be part of, the highlights of my career. Sila yung kasama ko sa loob ng ilang taon. Every Sunday kami nagpo-perform and hindi lang siya work eh. I really gained and I built a family and friendships there and that's very, very important for me. Thank you. It's okay. Wait
Okay.
lang, kayo kasi